Morning traders, Nick Messenger, Market Dealers. Here to bring a daily market bias video for Wednesday, January 18th. It's approximately 6:25 a.m. in the East Coast. Here to take a look at the overnight session in Asia. All of Asia trade to the upside, with many of these exchanges trading to positive triple-digit territory. Currently, right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing as Europe is open and trading. All of Europe is trading to the upside as well. Now, if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands. U.S. dollar is trading lower. The indices themselves, in terms of the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all point to a higher open. The bonds, however, are trading higher. They are not trading lower. Gold is trading higher. It's not trading lower. Crude oil is trading higher. In fact, crude oil just, I think for the first time in a while, just went over the $80 a barrel mark. But that's trading higher as well. And if we were to take a look at economic news we have on the docket today for the U.S. markets, basically what we're dealing with is we're dealing with a tsunami, if you will, in terms of economic news. We have a lot of things that are going to be reported today. At 8:30 a.m. we have PPI, core PPI, we have retail sales, core retail sales. These are all major, these are all proven market movers. At 9:15 we have capacity utilization rate. Also at 9:15 industrial production, again major. 9:30 we have Commerce Board leading index. At 10 a.m. we have business inventories. Also at 10 a.m. we have the Naval Housing Market Index. And then at 2 p.m. this afternoon we have the Fed Beige Book, again major and a proven market mover. Also at 2 p.m. we have an FOMC member speaking. And then at 4 p.m. we have long-term purchases. This is not considered to be major because it's going to be reported at 4 p.m. when the market closes. So we don't really expect anything out of that. Again, once again, we have a virtual tsunami in terms of economic news. We have a lot of things happening. All this being said, our bias is neutral. And the reason why we're suggesting a neutral bias, or at least the chief reason why we're suggesting a neutral bias, we're not seeing very much in the way of correlation. We have the U.S. dollar trading lower. We have the indices trading higher, which is all well and good. However, there's nothing to back that up. The bonds are trading higher. They're not trading lower. Nothing else is trading lower, so it's basically, well, it's just the U.S. dollar and the indices themselves. This is not enough. Also, in addition to that, I mean, basically because we have a tsunami or a new tsunami happening today with about maybe a dozen different reports that are going to be reported, the markets could go anywhere today, depending upon what's being reported, how it's being reported, how it's being perceived by traders, etc. So our bias is neutral and mixed, which means in essence the markets could go anywhere today. Something to be mindful of trading. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.